morning students. Now in this session we will see the second example of trisomy, that is the Edwards syndrome. Now it is also referred to as trisomy 18. Why the name it is given so? Because at the 18th number of chromosome there are 3 chromosomes are present as compared to the normal, that is of 2. In normal case 2 chromosomes are present, but here in the Edwards syndrome 3 chromosomes are present. So Edwards syndrome is also known as trisomy 18. Shortly it is referred as T18 or trisomy E. It is a genetic disorder which is caused by the presence of all of an extra 18th chromosome. That's why the name it is given trisomy 18 due to meiotic non-disjunction. Now this word we have seen, what is this non-disjunction? That is chromosome fail to separate during the time of mitotic division, and due to this the egg and particular sperm they get the separated chromosome. It is named after John E. H. Edwards, who was the first person to describe this syndrome in 1960. It is the second most common autosomal trisomy after Down syndrome that carries to the term. Edwards syndrome occur in around, that is 1 in 6,000 live birth, and around 80% of those affected are the female individuals. Means females are more affected as compared to the male, and in 6,000 that might be case that one is facing with this Edwards syndrome. Now this you can see in the picture, this is the karyotype of the Edwards syndrome or the individual who is facing with the Edwards syndrome. Here in the picture you can see this is the 17th number and this is the 18th number of chromosome. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 chromosomes are there instead of 2. In all the position you can see 2 chromosomes are present, whereas on the 18th 3 are present. So this is the abnormality, and due to this the person faces this syndrome. Now what are the features of Edwards syndrome? Means what happens if at the 18th number of chromosome, 18th number autosome, 3 chromosomes are present. So which are the conditions are there that is faced by the individual? So first, that is the mental deficiency. Second, growth retardation, means the growth is not so much, retarded growth, the person individuals will be in the shorter height, and also the you can say development is retarded. Prominent occiput. Now what is this prominent occiput? Occiput is referred to as posterior part of skull. So whenever we see the individuals of Edwards syndrome, you can observe that the posterior part of skull is somewhat more bulging and protruding with elongated head. And webbing of the neck. We can see in the normal portion that neck portion is easily, it can be observed clearly, whereas in the Edwards syndrome neck portion it is somewhat decreased, or you cannot differentiate between the head and neck portion. Then short sternum. Then next micrognathia. Now micrognathia, that means the individuals they are having very lower or smaller jaw. This is referred to as micrognathia. Next is low set malformed ears, means ears are not that much developed. Ventricular septal defects, this occurs in the heart portion. Renal anomalies, that is renal function, kidney functions are affected. Clenched fist with overlapping of fingers. Finger development is not so much, and whenever we closed our fist, that is the not proper closure is there. Then hypoplastic nails also they are affected, means the tissues or the cells of the nails are there, they are being affected. So these are the features of the Edwards syndrome. Now you can see in the picture, small mouth, small jaw, short neck. Neck portion, it is not at all visible. Where is the neck? Occiput, that is, you can see this part, that is more bulging portion is there on the posterior part of the skull. This is known as prominent occiput. Diaplastic or malformed ears. Ear shape is not proper. Clenched hands with overlapping of fingers. Means whenever in a normal person, what happens whenever they are closing their fist, all the fingers, they are being separated from each other clearly. But here you can see in the picture, the fingers are overlapping. So this is known as clenched hands with the overlapping fingers. So these are the, you can say, physical characters are observed whenever the individuals, they have been faced with the such type of Edwards syndrome.